MS-DOS. This text-based operating system was developed by Microsoft in the early 1980s and served as the standard for IBM personal computers. Users had to type specific commands to navigate files or run programs, as there were no icons or mouse cursors to click on. It was a foundational piece of software that proved computers could be scaled for individual, everyday use outside of massive laboratories. While it seems incredibly primitive today, it laid the groundwork for the consumer tech revolution. Microsoft Windows. Building on the foundation of text commands, Microsoft introduced this graphical interface in 1985 to make computing accessible to the general public. Instead of typing lines of code, people could now point and click on folders, menus, and icons. Over the decades, it became the most dominant desktop operating system in the world, powering everything from home setups to massive corporate networks. Its strength lies in its massive compatibility with hardware and third-party software, making it the default choice for global business and gaming. macOS. Originally introduced in 1984 as the system software for the Macintosh, this platform from Apple took a drastically different approach by deeply integrating its software with the hardware it runs on. It was a pioneer in popularizing the mouse and the graphical user interface for everyday consumers. Today, it is known for its sleek design, stability, and strong performance in creative industries like video editing and music production. Because Apple controls both the computer and the system running it, the experience tends to be exceptionally smooth, though it locks users into a specific hardware ecosystem. Linux. Created in 1991 by a student named Linus Torvalds, this open-source operating system allows anyone to view, modify, and distribute its underlying code for free. This freedom led to the creation of hundreds of different versions, known as distributions, tailored for everything from old laptops to the world's most powerful supercomputers. It operates behind the scenes of much of the modern world, running the vast majority of web servers and internet infrastructure. While it has a reputation for being complex and geared toward developers, many modern versions are highly polished and rival commercial systems in ease of use. Unix. Developed in the late 1960s at AT&T Bell Labs, this multi-user and multitasking system is the silent ancestor of many platforms we use today. It was designed to be small, modular, and extremely stable, allowing multiple people to interact with a computer at the same time. The design philosophies established by its creators directly influence the development of both Linux and macOS. While you rarely see raw Unix running on a personal computer today, its core concepts regarding how files are organized and how programs communicate remain the bedrock of modern computing. Android. This mobile operating system was acquired by Google in 2005 and has since grown to power the majority of smartphones across the globe. It is based on the Linux kernel, giving it a highly flexible and open framework that various phone manufacturers can customize to fit their specific devices. This adaptability means it runs on budget-friendly phones as well as ultra-premium folding devices. It matters because it brought affordable, internet-connected computing to billions of people worldwide who might never have owned a traditional desktop computer. iOS. Launched in 2007 alongside the first iPhone, this operating system revolutionized the way humans interact with technology by centering the experience around multi-touch gestures. It stripped away the complexity of traditional computing, replacing file directories and complex menus with a grid of simple, self-contained applications. Apple maintains strict control over the platform, prioritizing security, smooth animations, and a seamless connection with their other devices. This closed ecosystem creates a highly predictable and secure environment, making it a massive commercial success and a cultural staple.